ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT-3 architecture. It is designed to understand natural language and generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and queries. In terms of applications, ChatGPT can be used for various purposes, such as customer service chatbots, language translation, content creation, and even creative writing. It can also be integrated with various platforms, including websites, messaging apps, and social media platforms. For a YouTube video, ChatGPT can be showcased as an innovative tool for content creators and businesses to automate their customer service and engage with their audience. It can also be demonstrated how ChatGPT can generate content ideas, help with video editing, and even write scripts for videos. Overall, ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in natural language processing and has a wide range of potential applications, including in the field of video content creation.